Hello guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to Real Trade Official YouTube channel. Welcome to this great video. I recommend you watch this video thousands of time and practice. Focus on this video. Write your opinion about this video. In the Ichimoku indicator, create on conversation line sell pattern. Sell pattern is very important. Is a power strategy and have a good profit. Watch screen, watch the show. Active tick conversation line. Conversation line is blue line. And continue. Hide candle. This pattern is sell pattern. Create on conversation line. Look at the screen. Zoom on the chart. This pattern. Yes. This area is open position. I think the best open position, the best price. And this area active strategy. Yes, this area open position. Yes. And the end of the candle is a stop loss. I think this area is a best stop loss. Look at this area. This area is stop loss. And next support is TP. I think next support is a best TP. Continue. This area is good. Yes, this area is profit. Is a good profit. Yes, continue. Look at the chart. Continue. I think this area is profit. The best profit is this area. Look at the mouse. Yes. Okay. Continue. Next candle. Yes, this candle open position. Active strategy, this area. Yes. Continue. Yes. Continue. Good. Next candle. Continue. Good. Very good. Yes. Yes. This area is TP. Is profit. Yes. This position great. Yes. Continue another example. For example, this area continue. Find sell pattern. Yes. A high candle. This pattern on conversation line. Yes, create on conversation line is blue line. Yes. End of the candle is best stop loss. This area is the best stop loss. Yes, stop loss. This strategy is end of the candles. Yes, this area. After this candle, active strategy. Yes, this area active strategy. Yes, sell a stop, pending order and sell a stop is this area. Open position this area. Continue. The TP and take a profit is next support. This area is next support. This area. Yes, okay. This area. Profit. Best profit. Good profit. Continue. This area. Wait TP. Wait profit. Yes, continue. And this area active. This candle active strategy. Open position, active sell stop. Continue. Open. Next candle play. Continue. Okay, continue. Is very good. Continue. Yes, this candle take a profit. Good position, good strategy, and very good. Yes, very good. Look at this area, take a profit. First test in demo account. Please test in demo account. Yes. Look at this position. Yes, another. Continue. Yes. Height candle. This area. Create on conversation line. Create pattern sells. Yes, this pattern is sell. Yes. Stop loss is end of candles. Yes, very good. This area active position. This area active strategy. Open position, this area. Next candle, open position. Next this candle, open position. Yes. And end of the candle is stop loss. This area is a stop loss. Look at the chart. Look at the stop loss. Focus on yes, this area. Stop loss is very important. Yes, the TP is next support. I think this area is best profit, take a profit, or TP. Yes, this line I wait, take a profit. Yes, continue. Yes, this area wait, take a profit. I think good profit. Yes, this candle take a profit. This candle take a profit. Take a profit. TP. Very good. Oh, continue sell. I think this position is very good. It's very good. And next TP is this area. Yes, continue. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and practice. Please practice this video. Yes, continue. Go. Yes, stop, hide candle. This pattern on conversation line, this pattern, yes, this pattern is sell pattern. Yes, go sell, yes, after this candle, next this candle open position and active strategy, this area active strategy. Yes, end of the candle is a stop loss. This area is a stop loss. Yes, this area is a good stop loss. Stop loss is very important. Please test in the demo account. And next active strategy, go sell to next support. This area is best TP. Yes, this area, yes, I wait, take a profit on next support. This area is profit. Yes, this area is good profit. Yes, play, continue, focus on the charts. Yes, active strategy. This candle active strategy. Price next candle. Yes, active strategy. Price next candle. Open position. Continue. Yes, this area is profit. Next support is profit. Take a profit. This position is a great position. Very good. Yes, take a profit. Focus on the charts. Yes, it's very good. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And thank you so much.